Hi everyone, I'm Amy Hietala, the research librarian here at Old Sturbridge Village. And one of the questions we get asked is how we are caring for our collections here in the library. Two of the things that we are doing is preservation and conservation. Preservation is about preventing damage, so using archival safe boxes and folders, gentle cleaning, and light vacuuming for our materials. Conservation, on the other hand, refers to repair or stabilization of the materials. Many treatments can cause harm to the historic manuscripts or cause irreversible damage. Conservation is done by a trained, knowledgeable professional, and as you can imagine, that costs a lot of money. We have been lucky enough to receive grants the last few years to have 1 or 2 historic manuscripts conserved in our collection. And I have 2 that just came back from the conservator this past August that I'd like to show you. Our first conserved volume belonged to Silas Cook of Hadley, Mass. Entries are dated from about 1800 to 1813 and discuss digging stone, a loan of a plow and oxen, haying, and carting bushels of corn. The volume was received as a donation in 2020, and we immediately knew that it was ready. It was a candidate for conservation. The cover was coming off, pages were ripped, the spine was damaged, and we knew that researching the book would put additional damage onto it. You can see that the spine on the back has been repaired. The pages have been mended on the inside here. Tests for iron gall ink was done, which can eat away at the pages. And all of the pages were cleaned and vacuumed well. So now that the book has been conserved, it's in a much more stable condition, and we are able to continue our research on who Silas Cook was and what type of things he was recording. Our other conserved volume is an account book by John and David Hayward of Braintree, Mass. Dates are 1770 to 1814, and there are some loose papers in it that go back to 1769. Some of the treatments performed were cleaning, repairing the spine, resewing and mending pages, adding new hinges, and reattaching the parchment cover. The parchment cover had a lot of loose, flaking parchment, and the conservator was able to adhere a lot of the bigger pieces back on. However, we chose to leave the rest as it is. You can see on the inside where some of the hinges have been replaced and where some of the paper has been replaced as well. The Hayward volume already has its own custom-made box. The Cook volume will have one shortly. The purpose of the boxes are for the Hayward volume is going to help keep the cover that has been warped a little bit, keep it flatter, and it also protects against dust, temperature fluctuations, light, and any pests that might get on the shelves. If you have any interest in conservation, either for a career or for your own personal collections, you can check out the American Institute for Conservation website. We look forward to having more manuscripts conserved, and I hope to share them with you in the future. Thank you for joining me.